Hey everybody, welcome to my house. Here's our cars. We've done a nice job on shoveling the driveway. Take you on a little tour. We got our two cars cleaned off nicely, and we've cleared the driveway left and right, all the way down to the street and some of the street. So what you're going to see here is how much the county actually did, or the town. And I've got my neighbor, he's running his truck back and forth, trying to make ruts so he can get out. But as you can see, other than my neighbor driving his truck down here, it has not been plowed at all. Now, I hope I can get to work tomorrow, otherwise there'll be some disappointed people.